This built-in oven from Bosch is ideal if you're looking for a model with clever features to make cooking effortless. With a large 71-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions including a defrost and grill setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Bosch's 3D hot air system creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the oven. A fan at the back of the cavity circulates hot air, which is released through several vents to spread heat quickly throughout the oven. This means food is cooked evenly on every shelf. And because the hot air is constantly moving, flavours won't transfer, so you can make starters, mains and desserts at the same time. This model has fantastic EcoClean Direct technology, which is a clever coating that cleans the oven for you. When the oven heats up, it absorbs and dissolves food splatters to help your oven stay grease-free. The special coating is designed to last the lifetime of your appliance, so you can save money on expensive oven cleaners and spend less time doing chores. If you're looking for an oven with clever features to make cooking effortless, this built-in model from Bosch is an excellent choice.